All right, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Whew, it's hot out today. I was called down here to Oak Island, North Carolina, to take a look at this roof that has been done brand spanking new. And whoever did this roof probably wasn't a roofer, and they didn't follow manufacturer specifications at all. Look at here. These shingles call for a 5.5-inch reveal, and he's definitely went above his 5.5 and everywhere, just about. Good God Almighty! I don't know if he was running shorter shingles, but they didn't make any lines on the roof. Look at that! Wow! Look at this one. Good Lord Almighty! That's a leak waiting to happen right here. That's a leak waiting to happen right here. You don't have much before the top of that shingle. It's like right there. So yeah, look at this. Good God, man. So I've been having people asking me here lately to go up and look at their new roof that they had done by somebody, and I've been finding a lot of this kind of stuff going on. Good God Almighty. I don't think they had a very good flashing job. Look how short that piece of flashing is right there. So they didn't flash the chimney right. Good Lord, I don't even know if there is any flashing on the chimney. The reveals are outrageous, stupid. God damn, look at that. I mean, this should be a leak already. So whoever did this roof, wow. Holy samoly. Good God Almighty, where'd they nail it? Where are the nails? God damn, did they nail it? Oh yeah, the nails are way up there, but they're high. They high nailed it too. Look at that. The nail's all the way up there and it's not even all the way down. All right, so covered up a nail here, hole, covered up a nail hole here. Holy shit. They just kind of run some caulking around the back of the chimney. There's probably no flashing there at all. Yeah, oh man. This roof is gonna leak all day long. Jesus, what do you have to do to get a goddamn roofer to come down and do a freaking good job? That's what I want to know. What do you got to do? Spend good money. I mean, good money. And this is all shit. So whoever did this roof, God damn, look at that. Talk about crooked as hell. Somebody didn't put lines. They didn't use any lines whatsoever. Let's see how they did this ridge. I have a feeling. Yeah, they didn't nail down the ridge. Oh, damn, I hate to see it. Look, the ridge isn't even nailed down. The shingles aren't nailed down, for Christ's sakes. Look at that. The backside does look better. So somebody, excuse me, definitely did the backside not so bad so far. No nails in the bottom of this pipe. You always want to have some nails here. There's divots for it right there. Divot, divot, divot. That means nail, nail, nail. My guess is they didn't, well, they might have nailed it down under there, but it's pretty crappy. That's not nailed down properly at all. Got a big bump right here in this roof. That's going to be a leak. I guarantee there's a leak right here. Something's going on around this skylight, probably some rotten wood. I feel like there's rotten wood around that skylight right there that wasn't replaced. Okay, let's see if this is nailed down. They nailed down this piece. Let's see what they got going on here. That's nailed down. Somebody just got lazy. They ran the caps one way here and then ran the caps the other way on the other end and stopped here in the middle. But on this end, look at here, they didn't line up the ridge vent, for crying out loud. Nor whoever did this end didn't nail the ridge vent down. So you got a big leak, big problem here. So another worst roofer ever. I'm in Southport.